Have you ever wondered if SoFi Bank, that innovative digital bank, has any physical branches? It's a question that's been circulating the financial world for quite some time. Today, we're diving deep into this topic to uncover the truth. SoFi Bank has made waves in the banking industry with its unique approach to financial services. Offering everything from personal loans and student loan refinancing to investing and wealth management, SoFi has carved a niche for itself in the digital age. But does this digital-first bank need bricks and mortar to thrive? Let's start by understanding SoFi's core business model. As a digital bank, SoFi leverages technology to provide its services efficiently and cost-effectively. This means that they can operate without the overhead of traditional bank branches, such as rent, maintenance, and staffing costs. The benefits of a branchless model. SoFi's branchless model offers several advantages. Accessibility. Customers can access their accounts and services 24/7 from anywhere with an internet connection. Convenience. Online and mobile banking platforms provide a seamless user experience, eliminating the need for physical visits. Cost efficiency. The absence of branches allows SoFi to pass on savings to its customers in the form of competitive rates and fees. Innovation. Without the constraints of traditional banking infrastructure, SoFi can focus on developing innovative financial products and services. The challenges of a branchless model. While the branchless model offers numerous benefits, it also presents some challenges. Customer experience. Some customers may prefer the personal touch and face-to-face interaction provided by traditional bank branches. Security concerns. While SoFi employs robust security measures, some customers may be concerned about the security of their personal and financial information in a digital-only environment. Limited access. Customers in areas with limited internet access may find it difficult to use SoFi's services. Now, let's address the main question. Does SoFi Bank have any branches? The answer is no. SoFi has intentionally chosen to maintain a branchless model, focusing on providing a superior digital experience to its customers. Despite the absence of physical branches, SoFi is committed to providing excellent customer service. They offer various support channels, including online chat, phone support, and email, to assist customers with their inquiries and needs. As the banking industry continues to evolve, the question of whether branchless or hybrid models will dominate remains a topic of debate. While SoFi has demonstrated the success of a branchless model, some banks may choose to maintain a combination of physical branches and digital services to cater to diverse customer preferences. In conclusion, SoFi Bank has made a strategic decision to operate without physical branches, focusing on providing a convenient, accessible, and cost-effective digital banking experience. While there are challenges associated with a branchless model, SoFi's commitment to customer service and innovative approach have helped it establish a strong presence in the financial market. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any further questions about SoFi Bank or the future of banking, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time.